How to change taskbar icon size in window 11. Okay, if your window 11 show your taskbar icon is not very small, then you can increase the size. I will show you the perfect method. So let me start with the video. So first come to the in search bar and search for settings, or you can right click on this window start button and go to the settings. Under the setting we need to go in that personalizations. Here we need to go in the taskbar. Under taskbar we need to go here taskbar behaviors. Under the behaviors it will be expand like this. Okay, now you can see this option combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. So this is our labels, okay, like icon. So here we have two options, combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. Okay, we have always mean it will be show when taskbar is full. Okay, so when taskbar is full it will be combined, but my taskbar is not full, so it show the, you can see this icon size is increasing. And you can also if you want to keep your icon size big, you can click never. Okay, so it will be show your icon size big, and it will be also show the name of this icon. Or you can use these options when taskbar is full, and you can also choose that always. Okay, so it will be combined always. Okay, if you want to show your taskbar icon with name, you can use this one or this one. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.